You're ambitious. You've got a dozen ideas bouncing around in your head. Exercise more, launch a side hustle, learn a new language, finally write that book. But with everything started and nothing finished, it feels like you're spinning plates. Fast. And at any moment, they're all about to fall. You're not alone. Here's the truth. One goal, done well, can change everything. Today, we'll talk about how to focus your energy, stop scattering it, and finally see real results. Here's the trap. You try to upgrade every area of your life at once. You start jogging 3 times a week, buy a website for a side hustle, download an app to learn a new language. But after a few weeks, the jogging fades, the domain sits untouched, and the app still says, Day 1. The result? Each project crawls forward, your attention is split, frustration builds, and you start wondering, what's wrong with me? Why can't I stay consistent? The good news, it's not motivation you're missing, it's focus. And focus is the multiplier of progress. Every minute you jump from one task to another, your brain leaves behind what psychologists call attention residue. That residue slows you down, makes you less sharp, and dilutes your progress. Think of focus like sunlight. Scattered light feels warm, but focused light, through a magnifying glass, can ignite a fire. That's the power of concentrating on one meaningful goal. Psychologists call this the focus funnel. It's simple. Filter every decision through one question. Does this move me closer to my one priority? If yes, do it. If not, delay it, delegate it, or delete it. Warren Buffett lived by this principle. Imagine him sitting at his desk, pen in hand, writing down his top 25 goals. Then he circles the 5 that matter most, and the other 20? He refuses to touch them, not because they're bad, because they're dangerously good. They look valuable, but they would drain energy away from what truly matters. Science backs this up. Stanford researchers found multitaskers actually perform worse on memory and on task switching. Every new project leaves fragments behind, slowing you down. So ask yourself, are your good ideas secretly stealing your best energy? So, how do you actually do it? Here's the 3-step one-goal plan. Step 1. Choose a 90-day focus. Pick one goal that, if achieved, would make the biggest impact in your life right now. Not a lifetime dream, just a 3-month commitment. For example, doing more exercise, finishing a first draft, or increasing your savings. 90 days is long enough to see real change, but short enough to feel doable. Step 2. Define success clearly. Don't just say, I want to get healthy. Say, I want to run 3 miles without stopping by the end of 90 days. Clear, measurable outcomes cut through vagueness and give you a finish line. Step 3. Align daily action. Every morning, ask yourself, what's the one thing I can do today to move this forward? It could be a 20-minute workout, writing 500 words, or packing your lunch instead of eating out. One action a day compounds. Over 90 days, that's momentum you can feel. Consistency beats intensity. One clear goal beats 10 scattered efforts. And here's a tip. If distractions come, close the tabs, silence your phone, or set a 20-minute focus sprint. Small hacks like this protect your attention. Here's a challenge for you. Choose your one goal today, commit to it, and imagine the momentum you could build. So, what's your one goal for the next 90 days? Drop it in the comments. You might just inspire yourself and someone else. Thanks for watching.